In our final module for this course, you'll be taking everything that you've learned so far and using it to design your own application using AI. So to build the app, I'm going to introduce you to a way of engineering products which is designed to get you the best solution possible. The engineering design process, or design cycle, is a framework that engineers use to solve problems in the most time-efficient and cost-effective way possible. There are many different depictions of the engineering design process, but they all follow similar steps, which I'm about to show you. Here are the stages. First up, we start with ask, where we begin by looking at what problem we're trying to solve, who our potential clients are, as well as any limitations we'll have, such as the type of budget or materials or technology that we're going to use. Next, during the research step, we want to see if anybody has already created something similar, as well as if there are any experts in the field that we can look to for inspiration. Next, we want to brainstorm and imagine a large quantity and variety of ideas. During the plan step, we want to narrow down our ideas by reflecting back to our problem that we're trying to solve, as well as what our limitations for that problem are. Once we move on to the create step, we're going to be asking what type of prototype we want to make. And this will mainly depend on who we're designing this for. The right prototype might be a scale model, a computer simulation, something like that. After you've created the prototype, you're going to need to test it. And this can look like running experiments, doing computer simulations, or allowing the client to actually try out the prototype. And this is a great opportunity to gather a lot of data that can allow us to create the best final product possible. Finally, once you've collected all of the information and feedback, you can go back and improve the design based off of that. And this is where you might have to go back to the create and test stages again. You might have to loop through this a few times until you're finally satisfied with the result. So your job is going to be to use this process to design your own AI application. And we're going to be doing this in two parts. The first part will be the brainstorming phase, where you're going to find the problem to solve, research it, and start imagining possible solutions to this problem. The second part will be the building phase, where you can try to take your brainstormed ideas and turn them into a working prototype. This second part is optional, and it's up for you to evaluate your own comfort level, how much time you have, your technical abilities, and everything like that for whether or not you want to attempt to continue and extend upon your brainstormed ideas.